She had chocolate on her desk and she literally told me, you're not gonna touch it.
Hey guys, welcome to Tisil.
I'm Sanjana and this is Dyuti.
And
Yeah.
So
Today
we thought
okay,
yeah.
Go ahead.
So yeah, we thought it had been a while since we'd continued with our Plate Perspectives series. So we thought we'll need to get up to date. Yeah, this video will be about
Well, it's not that deep. So this video is gonna be about all our lost childhood snacks.
Yeah.
And chocolates and stuff like that.
So basically we were traveling a while ago, and I don't know, somewhere I think we saw something
that we used to eat before, and we don't get in Bangalore
anymore. Yeah.
And we're like, we should. You actually suggested, we should do
an episode. Yeah. We were traveling in a bus and we said, oh wait, we should talk about this.
Yeah, we were buying snacks. Dyuti said she won't eat anything, but she ate the entire thing.
I am that person, guys. The person who's like, I won't have anything. I won't have any popcorn, but then who ends up eating the entire tub of popcorn. But
you're the problem.
Anyways.
Okay, let's get into the episode. So,
what were some of your favorite snacks?
Okay, my top. I can say this without any hesitation that Bites, Cadbury Bites was my top. Why would they discontinue something so good?
But I feel like you have similar alternatives now.
Yeah, but they're just not the same. There are some stuff like that, but then it just doesn't taste the same, and it's like the whole Cadbury thing was very different.
Yeah, wait, what else?
Apart from that, I really liked Mango Bite.
Oh my god, Mango Bite was like the thing that you used to give when it was your birthday.
True,
in school. Yeah, that was the go-to thing.
Yeah.
And also when people used to come home for your birthday parties, you used to have that plate
in a bowl or like a plate.
You used to have that plate with cake. With chips next to it, and the chips and cake used to sort of get combined.
Yeah, samosa also.
Samosa, one munch, and 2 Mango Bites.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. So this was it.
Perfect.
Yeah.
That was the it birthday.
We need to recreate that.
Yeah,
honestly, it's been.
Throw me a 22nd birthday party like that.
22nd.
Hello.
You're acting like a 2-year-old at 22 years.
I don't care. One more thing I remembered, Ulta Perk. Have you eaten Ulta Perk?
What is Ulta Perk?
I don't know how to explain it, but if any of y'all know, comment down below. I don't know how to explain it, but it was this yellow wrapper sort of thing. And I literally don't know how to explain it. I just know how it tastes, and I just remembered that I used to love that as well. I'll put a picture if I can find it. Yeah.
I don't really like Perk that much. I used to like Munch a lot. I mean, I still like Munch a lot, but then you used to get those tiny Munch bites. Yeah, those were my favorite. I used to empty the entire packet in one go.
Finish everything in one go. Guys, by the way, she had chocolate on her desk, and she literally told me, you're not gonna touch it.
See, I'm possessive over chocolate. I'm possessive over food.
Yeah.
Full stop. So are you.
Yes, but I would have given you at least one.
No.
I'm trying to.
You're trying to get me
to
complying into.
Oh my god, psychology is over. We aren't talking about that.
We just wrote our papers today.
And we'll not speak about it.
But yeah, wait, what else?
You tell. What did you like?
We used to get these sponge cakes, the vanilla sponge cakes.
Yeah.
It used to come in small packets. It used to be a chain of.
I know what you're talking about.
Those were so good. You used to heat it up a little bit, and it used to taste so good. I don't know why. I don't know if they still make that.
They do, but I think it's from a different company.
Brand.
Britannia.
Yeah. No, it wasn't from Britannia.
Now it's Britannia.
Yeah. It was from some brand. I don't know. It used to taste so good. I don't know what they put into that thing, but so good.
Milk Bikkies is another one for me.
Milk
which I really
Bikis.
like. It's still available.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's yum.
Oh wait, Hippo.
Oh
Hippo.
yeah,
Oh my
that
god.
was
Hippo, the purple flavored Hippo.
so good.
So much.
No, but like I really don't understand why they discontinued all
it.
this.
It was
Like,
probably a company thing.
what company thing? If they're making a lot of money out of it,
Let's not talk about the business side of it, but then it used to taste so good. Like,
true.
yeah, people. I'm glad to have experienced that. Like, it was an
That-
experience in
that
itself.
phase.
Yeah.
And then the jelly thing.
Mm.
You know that
Which
small
jelly
jellies,
thing?
grape flavored jellies, lychee, mango,
Oh, the ones with the
cube in the middle
Oh
of
my god,
the fruit
they
cube.
used to taste so good. They still taste really
I know.
good.
You know, I used to remove the packet slowly, and then
And
there
then
used to
just
be
sip
water.
that,
and
yeah.
first sip it and then
Bro,
eat
it used
it.
to
I
taste
think.
so good.
I know.
And similarly, there you used to get these pudding cups or something
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Like, it used to be a pack of 6.
True.
And it used to have 2 lychees, 2
Mm.
mangoes, and,
And
2
2 grape.
strawberries. No,
No.
2 strawberries.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They were those huge ones. And it still
Huh.
had those white
I know. Cube.
gelatin, not gelatin, whatever.
Yeah, the
cubes.
fruit cube.
Yeah. It used to taste so good. So me and my
Yeah.
sister used to always fight over,
Mm.
which flavors.
Yeah. We used to like divide it half, like each of.
Yeah, but then the thing is, some of them used to have 3 flavors of one thing
Oh.
and 2 and 1.
Okay.
So it used to get like, okay, wait, you get this, I get that sort of thing.
Understandable.
It used to taste so good.
I know. And then there's Dairy Milk with the cartoon Mickey Mouse in
Oh,
between with the
yeah.
white chocolate.
The Donald Duck ones, bro,
Huh.
it used to taste
so
really
good.
good.
Dude, the Dairy Milk taste itself has changed
Yeah,
now,
Dairy
like
Milk
big
now,
time.
For some reason, it tastes too sweet. Like, I don't know how else to put
Yeah,
it.
and
Like,
it, not to like, I mean, yeah, I am saying it, but it tastes very fake-ish. Like, it doesn't even feel like chocolate, you know?
Makes sense.
Yeah.
True.
Cadbury, if you're watching this, change. And then, would you have calcium sandos?
I think I don't remember having it, but I remember seeing the bottle at home, so I'm pretty sure I have had it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we used to use
Anything edible would have gone into
Yeah.
your mouth.
Shut up. That bottle was there at home, so like,
Mm.
and we had repurposed it as usual normal households do.
Yeah.
But yeah,
That's nice.
yeah.
And then, what else? Were there those ice pops? They used to call it ice lolly back then.
We used to call it fruit chill.
I know.
Yeah, I just called.
I was there.
So for some reason I couldn't remember the name of it. Like I don't know why. So I called up like a few friends of mine to find out what it was called. So yeah, if you guys are watching, I know you guys aren't watching. But yeah, thanks.
Yeah. I called up my dad to ask him what it's called. He's like ice lolly. And I'm just like, but it had a brand. He's just like, nothing like it. It's ice lolly. And I'm just like, okay.
But like that was such a thing. Like it was like a cool kids thing.
True.
So like you used to be done with school and you used to go to this place, and if you had the money that day,
Okay.
you used to buy it.
We never got like, these kind of food stuff or anything outside our school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For us, there was always one guy who used to make kachori. He is still the best kachori I've ever had in my life is from that guy. I don't know what he used to put. Whatever.
You can
I
imagine.
don't want to know, but it was the best kachori that I've ever had, and I'm pretty sure all the people from my school can agree with that. And we used to get this fruit chill thing, and we used to also get those, those wheel shaped.
Oh, yeah.
The Friams
know,
types.
Friams, yeah.
Those things, and what else? Yeah, and chaat.
Okay.
Different charts.
Nice.
And stuff like that.
In ice lolly, I used to love the cola flavor. Like, hands down, that's the best flavor till date.
Cola flavors. I used to like the lemon flavored one. I don't know why. Lemon, I mean, I still like lemon flavor, but like, it used to taste really good.
I see. And then there was this, forgot what it's called, paddle pop. Rainbow.
Oh, the
Rainbow
lion
candy.
ad guy.
So good, dude.
Bro, it was a dream of mine to have that. I
You've
still
never
haven't
had
had
it.
I've never
I
had
feel
it.
like I'm dressed up like that candy. Weird.
Kind of. Like, you need a bit of purple and then you'll be good.
Like if you mix pink and blue, you'll get purple. So like
Oh!
color theory.
But yeah, that was also really. But I haven't tried it. But then the ad itself looked
How
so.
did you not try it?
I don't know. I just never tried it. That and the swirly
Oh yeah,
twisters kind of
and then jiggly jelly.
Jiggly, yeah. I've not tried any of them.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I just wanted to. I never got the opportunity to. So.
Too busy you know in life. You know, weirdly, you don't get that in India anymore, the rainbow one of Paddle Pop. But when I went to Thailand recently, I found it there and I had it.
Yeah.
So good. Still
Why
the
is it
same.
banned in India, though?
I really don't understand this logic. We'll make an episode on this. What business tactics they're using.
We'll do it. What else?
What else did we eat?
Then we have like the normal Bangalore stuff, the Goli soda.
Goli soda. Yeah. Now also we get it.
Goli soda we get it even now, but like
back then the whole idea of having it was
What else?
And then magic pops, like you put it into your mouth and then it starts popping in your mouth.
Oh, that was so good.
Yeah.
Like, why did we even like that though?
It was nice.
Just straight
sugar. True, but it was like it just popped in your mouth and it gave you that rush. I remember this very weirdly, like when my mom was delivering my younger sister, I had bought like 10 packs of those like in the nearby pharmacy there, and the entire time I was eating that. Like literally the entire time I was eating that.
God.
I'm so weird.
We need to try that again. Whenever you're anxious or excited, just pop one.
Pop. That's our coping mechanism.
What else? Oh yeah, we used to get these like cheeselings.
We still do.
Do you still get it?
Yeah.
It was very popular. I used to like it a lot.
The salt,
tiny,
flavor, no?
the square ones.
Very addictive though. And then the ice cream which we used to get in the plastic balls and plastic fruit shaped ones.
Yeah. My favorite was like the strawberry one. Like the thing is, I used to love the shape of the whatever fruit or something like that. I was obsessed with like plastic fruit at one point in my life.
Like I had a bag full of all the plastic fruits. I think I still have it at home.
Yeah?
Yeah, I do. I kept those things. For me, you liked strawberry the most in it. I liked vanilla. It was very... Because I didn't like mango. I didn't like fruity flavors of...
You didn't like mango? Mango was also pretty good.
I started liking those flavors, like, you know, anything beyond vanilla and chocolate very recently. So... Not really. Not really. You were talking about Friends, it just slipped out of my mind. I remembered cracks. Remember? You used to get a tiny toy in that as well. And it used to be all... You used to like first find that, and then it used to be something so lame, but that was the first thing you went for. That was so good. We
had like toys like for cracks and for Kinder Joy. Kinder Joy you still get. I still absolutely love Kinder Joy. Like, please don't discontinue Kinder Joy.
Yeah, please.
Even the toys are fun, honestly. You get those Hot Wheels ones and stuff like that. They're cute. The only place where I like cars. It's too controversial.
No. I mean, it's just, it shows your character.
Please, what?
How do you not like cars?
I'm not a car person.
What are you, scooty person?
I'm a stay-at-home person.
Fair enough. Yeah. No, we're auto people.
But wait, what is the umbrella chocolates?
Oh yeah, you used to like unwrap it and it used to just be a solid chocolate.
Bro, it used to be...
And there was a layer of wafer inside it if I'm not wrong.
What?
Yes. Yes. There used to be a layer of wafer.
I don't
Guys, tell us if you know what we're talking about.
No, I don't think so. I feel like it just... I remember the shape of the hook inside the chocolate for some
reason.
Yeah,
even I remember that. Yeah. But there was a layer of wafer inside the chocolate if I'm not wrong. Like the last bite sort of thing, like how we get for ice creams inside chocolate part. Like that there was a wafer part. I don't know why I'm feeling that.
I need to try it again.
It's not available.
What? We'll make it and try it again.
And then what else did... And then, oh my god, the saddest of them all is Happy Meal. They discontinued Happy Meal in McDonald's.
The thing is, I've never really liked McDonald's a lot. Like, apart from their fries, I haven't been their biggest fans.
Fine.
So
I shall ignore you.
But yeah, that is quite sad. I feel like it's still there in other countries though. It's just not there in India.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For me, it's more like the whole Happy Meal the hype was because of the toys you used to get, and I mean the burger and all that is there, but the box in which you used to get was so nice.
I feel like it's still there.
They put it up for show in McDonald's, but it's not for sale.
Yeah,
I've seen it in BD Complex. McDonald's, it's there for show there. Like, you know, I'm just like, why can't you just pick it up and give it?
Ask them next time.
Like, hey, please. But yeah, which one would you like? You know, if you had to choose just one that you could
bring back,
yeah,
it would be Hippo.
Hippo?
Yeah.
Okay.
What about you?
Bites. Any day.
These were some of the snacks that we could remember and just going back in time right now. But yeah. So if you guys have any such, if you guys have tried any of the stuff or if you remember any other
that we didn't cover, please let us know
in the comments.
And if any of the brands watch this,
get
them back.
Please.
Too much you're begging.
No,
at this
please.
point.
I don't mind. I don't mind. I will shamelessly beg. Please get them back.
Yeah, Bites first.
Hippo first, okay? I don't know which company you're from. Please get it back.
So thank you for watching.
See you in our next episode.
Bye-bye.